Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to apply custom typography style to your text using Flutter, and also we are going to be apply custom gradient color to the text. We are going to be apply entire font family text style and also changing individual element like this. Before that you need to download some Google fonts from Google official site. You can get that link in our video description. I have downloaded two different type of font family like Royal and Jost. You need to add this font file under the font, which is the directory of assets folder. So folder name is assets and then fonts, and then you need to add the font families. Then in our YML file, you need to mention which are the font you are going to be using in this project. Like this, I have added the Joe's font, and here we have added the Royal font. Then you need to set pubgit. This will be config. This font will be config from your project. Now, in our main.dot file, I have a theme, material app followed by ThemeData. Here, simply you can add font family name is Jost, which will be apply entire font family will be updated like this. This is a very simple font family followed by your font name. I just changing this one Royal right here, and I just saving. See, you can see the entire app is changed like this. Now I am changing Jost and Control S to save. Now I just run this code. So entire application changes to Joe's font family. You can also apply individual font family like this. I will show you one more example. Here we have already seen some custom widget to apply the different type of typography style. We are going to be add some more customization like this. So for example, displaying large followed by copy with is one of the default inbuilt widget. So I just using this one to updating more customization option. For example, copy with font family name is Royal. So by default font family is Jost. I just going to be adding Royal family to this text view, and this is updated right now. I just copy this one and paste it here, and I just run this code. You can see the difference. This typo also font family is changed. I hope you guys you can get some idea about this one. Here is the example about gradient text color. See, here is the gradient text view, and here is the default widget. Shader mask is one of the default widget. You can use this one to apply gradient color to your text view, and you don't need to use any third-party plugin to making gradient color to your text view. And use this widget, and you can add some gradient types, which is linear gradient, and there are many options available. When you click this one, you can get more idea about what are the type. For example, linear gradient, 2D radical gradient, and you can see n number of variety in this dot class, gradient dot class, which is the default option. So you can use different type of gradient types, and then you need to pass the color code followed by comma separator. So I just passing two color to this gradient color. You can apply more color following by comma separator right here, and then I just adjusting this gradient wave, for example start and end. So where this color should be start and end, you can apply this customization to this existing shader mask. So you can get idea about how to apply gradient color in this link. So here is the handpick collection of gradient color. You can get some more idea about color combination. And finally, here is the shader mask. One of the child is text view. I just applying this shader mask to the child view of text. So my gradient text color is ready now, right now. So this is all about customization about the entire app and individual element. I hope you guys you can get some idea. See you guys in next video.